$7.65 for this little jar of herbs right here. Herbs are expensive. You know it, I know it. If you cook a lot, you need herbs, and it costs a lot of money. But if you grow them yourselves like we do here on the patio garden, you can dry them and save a lot of cash and time. So let's do that today, drying herbs. Hey everyone, I am Mark J. Weather on TV by day. In my spare time though, I like to dig in the dirt and grow things. So let's grow together. And all summer long, we've been growing these fantastic herbs, right, Costa Brown? Yep. So now it's time to pick them and dry them so we can save some money. Look at this, growing on the hillside, I have this awesome Greek basil, perfect columnar plant. Look at those leaves, healthy and green. I'm gonna save the whole plant and dry it. We're gonna pull it right out of the ground. Hey, Callan, you wanna help? You wanna help, buddy? Okay. Mary's got a lot of herbs growing in this awesome patio herb garden. We're growing them in pots, so we're gonna save some of this sage right here, and we're gonna save some tarragon. That's great for chicken. Cut those sprigs off there. Now is the time to check all of your stems and your leaves for any disease or any insects. If you see any bugs, pluck them off. Any disease, pluck that off too. Once you're done rinsing these off, just shake them dry or pat them dry with a paper towel or dry towel. What are you eating? Uh-oh, some sort of plant. Don't get sick. All right, I got my table full of herbs right here. Couple of different ways you could do this. First of all, you could use a paper towel, double layer paper towel, set it down, put individual herb leaves on that paper towel. Pluck them off, just set them on down like that. Now what I'll do is I'll take these into a bedroom or some room out of the way, just set them on a shelf. As long as there's bright light and it's aerated, these things will dry in 10 days to 2 weeks, and then you can crisp them up and put them in a jar or a bag, and they're done. Another method I like to use is the string method. I grab me some butcher string right here. You can get it at any local grocery store or hardware store, and I tie up my herbs in bunches, just like this, and then I'll hang them in the garage or in the pantry. Again, I want lighted areas with some air circulation, 10 days to 2 weeks, and it's all dry. Another cool way to do it is when these are all dry and you've got them hanging in bunches and you're cooking, you just take the bunch into your recipe, into your skillet or your pot, and you just crisp off some of the leaves right into your recipe to add the flavor. So I'm done. Got my herbs all ready to hang. They're all bunched up, ready to go. I'm gonna put them in the garage and hang them on some hooks there. You could also tape them to the walls in your pantry or your laundry room. Just keep the room bright. Make sure there's a lot of air circulation. Easy to do. Save your herbs, save some money. It's another way we can all grow together. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like so you're notified every time I do one of these videos. And again, have a great day, everybody.